Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, a muscle crucial for breathing, located between the chest and the abdomen. Each contraction triggers a sudden closure of the vocal cords, resulting in the characteristic hic sound. Various factors can cause hiccups, including eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, excitement, or stress. Some medical conditions may also trigger hiccups. Despite being annoying, hiccups usually resolve on their own without the need for treatment. Understanding these triggers can help minimize occurrences and manage the discomfort they cause.